you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. So, I am super duper excited. Let me start by introducing myself. If you don't know who I am Lindsay, and I have two special guests with me. We have Miss Loney Boney. Sloan, can you say hi?
Hi.
And then I was able to convince my mom to do a live with me. So you guys get to meet our pastry chef, Chris Phillips. So we are all three trying to squeeze in on the camera. So it's a little complicated. So please forgive us. I'm going to step back in front. We are going to do another recipe for you guys. So this time my mom's going to help out with it. We have the ingredients all mise en place behind us. And Sloan's gonna help us out too. So if you guys are watching this live, I'd like you to drop a heart. If you're watching it on replay, use hashtag replay. And if this is the first time you've ever watched one of our lives, please use a #1, and that just kind of lets us know if you've been on here before. And if you're watching, we love connecting with all of you guys and answering your comments and getting to know everybody. So I've been super excited because my mom and my aunt came and visit us over the weekend. Right, Sonia? Did we have guests?
Yeah.
Yes. But we had a super busy weekend. My daughter had Saturday 2 basketball games, and then we had soccer tournaments all weekend. And so we made her some of her favorite snacks. It is the peanut butter energy bites, which we sell.
And then I have cupcakes.
And then you had cupcakes, which we sell at Villainous Grounds. So if you're really interested in trying them out, you can pick them up at Villainous Grounds, or you can watch this live and make them at home. I did drop the full recipe in the description, so you can always click on the link and get the full description on how to make this with the recipe. But today we thought we would show you like how super quick and easy it is to make them at home. They're great snacks for kids. My kids absolutely love them. My daughter loves them when she has any of her sports, because she can eat as many as she wants and then head off to her sports and have a tasty treat. We have reminded Sloan several times that she has to be super careful on her chair that she is standing on, because she wants to help us out really bad. So I'm like, please don't fall, because I'll be live. Then everybody sees you fall. So we talked a lot about safety, right, Sloan?
Yes.
We have to be super careful. So we're not going to go over all the weights and everything for the recipe. If you want the recipe, like I said, it is listed in the description. We do have everything ready to go. We're just going to kind of show you how to mix it. Okay. How to mix it all up, how to scoop it out, and go over that so that you guys can make them. Like I said, they're so easy. And you can make them at home, or you could just run by Villainous Grounds, grab some yummy coffee and a snack to go. All right, without further ado, we will let my mom take over.
So you can either mix this in your mixer if you have a stand mixer. If not, you're welcome to do it in a bowl. It's just as easy to do. All you do is pour in your ingredients.
So we're using old-fashioned oats, not the quick oats. I had to go out and buy them because I only had the old-fashioned, the old-fashioned oats. So just keep that in mind. They're not all the same. My mom's like this. You can see the difference. The non-quick oats are bigger, and so they don't break down as easily when they sit in the peanut butter balls. I have a smaller mixer. We're kind of winging it here.
Hoping it all fits.
If not, we'll just mix it by hand. Oh, you're gonna pour it?
Okay,
Pour it
right?
gently. Good job.
Good job.
Perfect. I'm gonna take the balls out of the way, okay?
This will be yummy.
Sloan was impressed because the teddy bear has arms on it. Go
Do you
ahead.
want to turn it over?
You wanna pour the honey in?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead. You want to do this
you
one,
do
baby.
that one.
Do this one.
Nana, do this one. You do that one.
Okay.
Ooh, clumpy and gooey.
It's all clumpy
It
and
is
gooey.
all clumpy and gooey.
Yeah.
My kids really enjoyed my mom and my aunt being here. And my middle was really upset last night when she had to go to bed when she found out that they were leaving while she was at school. She was really bummed. But we had a really good time. We definitely got in some beach time over the weekend. How we got it all squeezed in, I am not sure. You want to put a little peanut butter in? Well, let us get it mixed, and then we'll put some peanut butter in a minute, okay? So we definitely got some beach time in. Hold on, Sloan.
I'm worried. I'm not sure.
Should we mix it by hand then?
Perhaps.
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and mix it by hand. Like I said, I have a tinier one of these, unlike my mom's nice big one. So we'll just move that out of the way. So she's just gonna mix it in the bowl real quick and kind of get it all stirred together. So we put in flour, honey, coconut, chocolate chip and peanut butter. You can also add some flaxseed to help with some energy. I just didn't go to the store and get any last night. No, don't do it with your finger.
I'll taste it.
Oh, you want to taste it? You can taste it in just a few minutes. And then what we're going to do is, after we get it all mixed in together, we are going to use, this was a 1 ounce, right?
3/4 ounce.
3/4. We're going to use a 3/4 ounce scooper. You can. You want to squeeze it? It makes it easier to get them rolled into the balls, but you're more than welcome to just roll them into balls with your hand. You know, it's your kitchen. You do it how you want to do it. If you don't have the equipment, you can always just kind of improvise.
I'm going to go in with my hands, which is the best way to mix it. I'm going to mix it with my hands. Normally, if I was doing it for a customer, I would definitely have on gloves, making sure that I'd washed ahead of time. But this is just for Brianna, so I'm going in with my hands bare.
She's getting it all nice and mixed up for the kiddos. Nice and squishy. Look how squishy Nana's hands are.
Oh, look at that.
What do you think of that, Sloanie?
It's coming out of the house.
It's coming on her hands.
Nana, she's coming out of the house.
It's coming on her hands,
Over
Nana.
my hands.
So she's working really hard to incorporate all of the ingredients together. And what happens is the peanut butter and the honey are going to hold all of the ingredients into a nice little ball. And then you put them and store them in your refrigerator. And then they're quick and easy, grab and go snacks that your kiddos can just go into the refrigerator, grab them. I see you. They're perfect for sports. That's really what we use them for. Brianna loves to snack on them for breakfast. I'm not going to lie. They're like her favorite. She begged my mom to make them for her. We've done a lot of baking over the weekend. We made the Christmas tree cookies because, like I said, Madeline was all about the Christmas tree cookies.
You want to grab the paddle back out?
And she absolutely loved that.
Okay, go ahead and put it on.
So we did the Christmas tree cookies. We made some lemon muffins that the kiddos were snacking on last night. And so the last thing we thought before they get on their airplane today is that we would go live and make these for you. Hold on.
You're going to fling everywhere? Oh, look at that. You didn't lock it in?
It is locked in as far as I know.
So the one thing that's great about these energy bites is if you decide, you can freeze them as well if you want to make up a bunch of them ahead of time, and they'll last 6 months in the freezer. If you put them in the fridge, you can do 30 days in the fridge, and then out on your countertop, they'll store that way as well, 7 days. All right, that's good.
All right, and so then we'll just, like I said, we just are gonna scoop them out and then have, all kinds of tasty little energy bites. I'm not gonna spend my whole time scooping them for you. As a matter of fact, B begged us. B begged us to let her scoop them, but Sloan is gonna scoop the first one. Yes, ma'am. All right. All right. So once you get it all nicely incorporated, go ahead, scoop it in there. Sloan is going to demonstrate scooping, she said. So, perfect. Try that again. You need Nana help? Here, I'll help her. Go in. Okay. Whoop, you got it? Oh, boom. Look at that. So you just want to make sure they're in little balls, which of course Sloanie's wasn't because she did not put it all the way in her scooper. But it's super and they're super simple to make. And like I said, my kids really, really love them. Brianna wanted us to make a ton of them. She wants to take some to her soccer team so that they can try them out. They were all talking about them. They were all talking about them this weekend, so we decided to make her a big batch for tomorrow. You did do it! All right, guys. So that's really all we just wanted to show you. Really simple. It's a little messy when you have Sloanie in the kitchen, but that's okay because kids are a lot of fun with the kitchen. Did you make cookies this weekend?
Yep, I
Did you ice in them with the icing?
did. Yep.
Yep. Can you turn around and tell everybody to have a good day?
Got today.
All right, so you guys check back on Wednesday when we do our usual regularly scheduled live, like I said.
I want to do it again.
You can help me, but we got to tell everybody else goodbye, okay?
Okay.
Say, see you later, alligators.
See you, alligators. Bye.
Bye, you guys. Have a great day.